Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well today. In today's video, we will learn how to talk with friends in English. Many English learners know grammar. They know many words. But when they meet a friend and need to speak English, suddenly they feel nervous. Maybe this has happened to you. You meet a friend who speaks English. You want to start a conversation, but your mind becomes blank. You start thinking, what should I say first? What if I make a mistake? What if my friend laughs at my English? Because of this fear, many learners stay silent. But here is the truth. Talking with friends is one of the best ways to improve your English. When you talk with friends, you feel relaxed. You do not feel like you are in an exam. You can speak slowly. You can make mistakes. You can laugh together, and slowly your English becomes more natural. So in today's lesson, we will learn many real conversations between friends. We will also learn useful sentences and natural reactions. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident speaking English with your friends. So let's begin. First, let us understand a simple situation. Imagine you meet a friend after a long time. Maybe you were in school together. Maybe you worked together, but you did not meet for many months. Now suddenly, you see your friend again. What can you say? Let us look at a simple conversation. Friend 1. Hey, Rahul, is that you? Friend 2. Oh, my God, Aman. Long time no see. Friend 1. I know. It has been so long. How have you been? Friend 2. I have been good. Just busy with work. What about you? Friend 1. Same here. Life has been very busy. Friend 2. It is really nice to see you again. Friend 1. Yes. We should meet more often. Now, let us understand some useful sentences from this conversation. The first sentence was, Hey, Rahul, is that you? This sentence is very common when you recognize someone after a long time. You are a little surprised. You are not completely sure. So you say, is that you? Example, is that you, Ria? Is that you, Vikram? This sounds very natural. Next sentence. Long time no see. This is a very common expression between friends. It means you have not seen each other for a long time. Example. Long time no see. Where have you been? Or, long time no see. How are you doing? Next sentence. How have you been? This question asks about someone's life recently. It is a little different from, how are you? How have you been? Means, tell me about your life in recent days. Example answers. I have been good. I have been busy. I have been traveling. I have been studying. Another sentence was, just busy with work. This is a short and natural reply. Friends usually do not speak in very long sentences. They keep sentences simple. Example, just busy with college. Just busy with my job. Just busy with family things. And the last sentence, we should meet more often. This means, we should not wait so long to meet again. This means, we should not wait so long to meet again. It shows friendliness. Now, let us move to another situation. Friends often talk about weekend plans. This is a very common topic. Let us see a conversation. Friend 1. Hey, what are you doing this weekend? Friend 2. Nothing special. I might watch a movie. Friend 1. That sounds nice. Are you going to the theater? Friend 2. Maybe. Or I might watch something at home. Friend 1. If you want, we can watch a movie together. Friend 2. That would be fun. Friend 1. There is a new action movie in the theater. Friend 2. Really? I love action movies. Friend 1. Great. Let's go on Saturday. Friend 2. Perfect. Now, let us understand some useful phrases. The first question was, what are you doing this weekend? This is a very common question between friends. You can ask this when you want to know someone's plans. Example, what are you doing this weekend? What are you doing tonight? What are you doing tomorrow? Next sentence, nothing special. This means there is no big plan. Maybe you will just relax. Example, nothing special, just staying at home. Or, nothing special, just watching some videos. Next phrase, that sounds nice. This is a positive reaction. You show that you like the idea. Example, I'm going to the beach. Response, that sounds nice. Next phrase, that would be fun. Friends often say this when they like a suggestion. Example, let's go for a road trip. Response, that would be fun. And another very important phrase, let's go. This is a suggestion. Example, let's go to the cafe. Let's go for a walk. Let's go watch a movie. Friends use this phrase very often. Now, let's talk about another topic. Friends often talk about hobbies. Let us see a conversation. Friend 1. So what do you do in your free time? Friend 2. I like playing guitar. Friend 1. Really? How long have you been playing? Friend 2. About 2 years now. Friend 1. That is awesome. Friend 2. What about you? Do you have any hobbies? Friend 1. Yes, I enjoy photography. Friend 2. That is interesting. Friend 1. I like taking pictures when I travel. Friend 2. You should show me your photos sometime. Friend 1. Sure, I would love to. Now, let's understand some expressions. The first question, what do you do in your free time? This means, what activities do you enjoy when you are not working or studying? Possible answers. I like reading. I enjoy playing cricket. I love cooking. I watch movies. Next question. How long have you been playing? This question asks about duration. Example. How long have you been learning English? How long have you been working here? Answer examples. For 2 years. For 5 months. Since last year. Next phrase. That is awesome. Friends often use this to show excitement. Example, I just bought a new bike. Response, that is awesome. Another sentence, you should show me your photos sometime. This is a friendly suggestion. It means, I would like to see them in the future. Now, let's move to another conversation. Friends often talk about movies and food. These are very common topics. Let us see an example. Friend 1. Did you watch any good movies recently? Friend 2. Yes, I watched a comedy movie last night. Friend 1. Was it good? Friend 2. Yes, it was really funny. Friend 1. I love comedy movies. Friend 2. We should watch one together sometime. Friend 1. Sure, and maybe we can get some pizza too. Friend 2. Now, that sounds perfect. Let us understand some expressions here. The first question, did you watch any good movies recently? This is a simple way to start a conversation. You can replace movies with many things. Example, did you read any good books recently? Did you listen to any good songs recently? Next question, was it good? This is a very common follow-up question. Example, I tried a new restaurant. Response, was it good? Another sentence, I love comedy movies. Friends often share their opinions. Example, I love action movies. I love street food. I love traveling. Next phrase, we should watch one together sometime. This is a friendly invitation. It is not a fixed plan. It is just an idea for the future. Another reaction, now, that sounds perfect. This means you really like the idea. Now, let us talk about something very important. Natural reactions in conversations. When friends talk, they use many small reactions. These reactions make conversations sound natural. Let us look at some common reactions. Really? This shows surprise or interest. Example, I met a famous actor yesterday. Response, really? Wow, this shows excitement. Example, I just got a new job. Response, wow, congratulations. That is great. This shows happiness for someone. Example, I passed my exam. Response, that is great. No way. This shows surprise. Example, I finished the whole project in one day. Response, no way. That's interesting. This shows curiosity. Example, I started learning Japanese. Response, that's interesting. Using these small reactions makes your conversation feel natural and friendly. Now, let me share some practical speaking tips. These tips will help you speak English with friends more confidently. Tip number 1. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make mistakes. The goal is communication, not perfection. Tip number 2. Use simple sentences. You do not need very complex grammar. Simple sentences are often better. Example, I watched a movie yesterday. This is clear and natural. Tip number 3. Ask questions. Conversations become interesting when both people talk. Ask questions like, what do you think? What did you do yesterday? What are your plans? Tip number 4. Listen carefully. Good communication is not only speaking. Listening is also important. When you listen carefully, you understand better. Tip number 5. Practice every day. Even 5 minutes of English conversation helps. You can practice with friends. You can practice online. You can even practice speaking alone. Now, let's do a quick recap of some useful phrases we learned today. You can use these phrases when talking with friends. Long time no see. How have you been? What are you doing this weekend? Nothing special. That sounds nice. That would be fun. What do you do in your free time? How long have you been doing that? We should do that sometime. That sounds perfect. These phrases are simple, but they are used very often in real conversations. Before we finish this lesson, I want to tell you something important. Learning English is not only about grammar, it is about communication. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Do not wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking today. Talk with your friends. Share your ideas. Ask questions. Laugh together. Every small conversation improves your English. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next lesson.